Hello students. So today we are going to revise question answers of chapter 3, that is human body, of class 6 biology. So now today is the final session of the revision part. So in this section what we are going to do, we are going to revise part C, that is long answer type questions. And long answer question type question, first question you can see, first question is draw a well-labeled diagram of alimentary canal. So for this what you have to do, you have to draw the diagram of this digestive system and you have to represent this complete tube as it starts from this mouth and it ends up to anus. So this will be your answer for first question. Moving on to question number 2. Question number 2 is, you can see question number 2, what is meant by absorption, assimilation and egestion? So students, for this what you have to do, you have to write definition of all the terms. So first term is absorption. The absorption of various nutrients present in the digested food into the bloodstream through membrane. This process is known as absorption. Second term is assimilation. So it is the incorporation of the absorbed nutrients into the cell components. And third term is egestion. So egestion is process of throwing the solid waste out of the body. So these three terms you have write. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, again you can see here, question number 3 is differentiate between breathing and respiration. Now students, what you have to do in third question, you have to simply write some differences between breathing and respiration. For that what you have to do, you will write difference, and these differences are as follows. Students, you can see first breathing and respiration. First point is breathing, it is a physical process, but respiration, it is a biochemical process. Breathing, it occurs outside the cell, and respiration, it occurs inside the cell. ब्रीथिंग कहाँ हो रही है, सेल के बाहर, और रेस्पिरेशन कहाँ हो रही है, सेल के अंदर. Third point is no enzyme is involved in case of breathing, but in case of respiration you can see enzymes are involved at various stages. Here in case of breathing, no energy is evolved, there is no release of energy in case of breathing because simply it is a physical process. But in case of respiration, energy is released. Why energy is released? Because the food is broken down. Now students, moving on to our fourth question. Our fourth question is, what you have to do in fourth question, question number 4, what is meant by aerobic and anaerobic respiration? Illustrate by giving reactions of both type of reaction. So students, this already we have done earlier also in short type question answers. Again, what you will do here, you will write this aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Now in aerobic respiration, what you have to write, you will write respiration taking place in the presence of oxygen, and you have to represent it through chemical reaction. Same for anaerobic respiration, what you have to do, you have to write its definition. So it is respiration taking place in the absence of air, and you have to write this chemical reaction. So this is answer of fourth question. Now students, moving to our fifth question. Question is, describe through a sequential chain the way air reaches the lungs. So for this your answer is, this is answer of fifth question. The pharynx leads into the trachea through a slit called glottis. Trachea is internally supported by rings of C-shaped cartilage. Now this trachea, it runs down and enters the thorax. What happens after that? Trachea divides into left and right bronchi. After this, these two tubes enter into the two elastic conical lungs. Now each bronchi divides into smaller tubes called bronchioles, and each bronchioles, they opens into many thin-walled balloon-like structure which are known as alveoli. So through a flow chart also you can make it. Nostril, nasal chamber, it leads to pharynx, it leads to larynx, then it leads to trachea, it leads to bronchi, then bronchi leads to bronchioles, and finally it leads to alveoli.